This is a 1946 Crosley two-door sedan. Painted a gray color. Theoretically a four-passenger car. There are quite a few of these made. They started making Crosleys in 1939, before the war, and resumed production in 46. There were 4,987 of these two-door sedans made. There are other body styles too, and you'll see another one in a video not too long from now. Notice the instrument cluster has 4 gauges plus the speedometer. It has a radio there. Floor shift. The engine is a 4-cylinder water-cooled copper brazed stamp block engine, 44 cubic inches, 26.5 horsepower. So notice the headliner, which looks to be like cardboard. The car looks pretty original. I would bet that the paint has been renewed, but cute little car. One taillight. Pretty big back window. And interestingly enough, the door handle, to open the car, you don't press on the door handle, press down, you lift up, which is rather strange. And here you see me do that, so we get a better look inside. Interesting little car. And after the war, people were buying cars all over the place because they needed transportation. And many of their cars that they nursed through the war were worn out at this point. So sales were fairly good to begin with.